I'm going to demonstrate a technique for how you can transfer soap and deodorant into a more compact and convenient container for traveling. Regular sized deodorant and even travel sized deodorant containers have a lot of unused space and tend to be bulky. For a significantly smaller container, we will use chapstick or lip balm containers. Remove any chapstick from the container and ensure that any leftover residue is thoroughly cleaned. Turn the chapstick plunger until it reaches its maximum depth. Remove the label to avoid confusing it with a chapstick. Slice a few portions from a deodorant stick into a dish and microwave it for approximately 30 seconds or until it melts. Pour the melted deodorant into the chapstick container. You can place it in the refrigerator to speed up the solidification process. Apply the same approach with soap to create a compact soap container. I'm using a glycerin soap, but alternative melt and pour soap bases such as shea butter, goat milk, and olive oil based soaps should also be suitable. Alternatively, you can use a double boiler to liquefy the deodorant or soap instead of a microwave. Avoid trying to melt traditional soap bars in the microwave because they may not melt properly due to their composition. If you need to upsize, you could always use a glue stick tube or purchase 15 milliliter empty plastic deodorant containers on Amazon, which are smaller than the standard travel size ones. Due to their compact size, the soap and deodorant are likely to last only a few days to a week, but they can serve as a handy backup stored in your travel bag. To avoid any concerns about running out, consider bringing extras or check for its availability at your destination.